Let's look at some health-related vocabulary. Temperature. The degree of internal heat of a person's body. Doctor. A person who is qualified to treat ill people. X-ray. An examination of a part of the body by taking and studying an X-ray photograph. Hospital. An institution providing medical and surgical treatment and nursing care for sick or injured people. Eye drops. Liquid medication to be applied in very small amounts to the eyeball. Plaster. An adhesive strip of material for covering cuts and wounds. Nurse. A person trained to care for the sick, especially in a hospital. Thermometer. An instrument for measuring and indicating a person's temperature. Headache. A continuous pain in the head. Ambulance. A vehicle equipped for taking sick and injured people to and from hospital, especially in emergencies. Pills. A small round mass of solid medicine that can be swallowed. Stretcher. A framework of two poles with a long piece of canvas stuck between them, used for carrying sick, injured or dead people. Flu. A common infectious illness that causes fever and headache. Operating room. A room in a hospital in which surgical operations are performed. Checkup. A thorough examination, especially medical or dental one, to detect any problems. Inhaler. A portable device for administering a drug which is to be breathed in, used for relieving asthma and other bronchial or nasal congestion. Cough syrup. A thick liquid that you take to help stop coughing. Earache. Pain inside the ear. Stethoscope. A medical instrument for listening to someone's heart or breathing. Crutches. A long stick with a cross piece at the top, used as a support under the armpit by a lame person. Prescription. An instruction written by a doctor that authorizes a patient to be issued with a medicine or treatment. Toothache. Pain in a tooth or teeth. Tablets. A small disc of a compressed solid substance, typically a measured amount of a medicine or drug. Insomnia. A person's inability to sleep. Injection. The act of putting a liquid, especially a drug, into a person's body using a needle and a small tube. Wheelchair. A chair fitted with wheels for use as a means of transport by a person who is unable to walk as a result of illness, injury, or disability. Fever. An abnormally high body temperature, usually accompanied by shivering and headache. Food poisoning. Illness caused by bacteria or other toxins in food, typically with vomiting and diarrhea. Amnesia. A partial or total loss of memory. Measles. An infectious viral disease causing fever and a red rash, typically occurring in childhood. Chicken-pox. An infectious disease causing a mild fever and an itchy rash. Heart attack. A serious medical condition in which a heart does not get enough blood, causing great pain and often leading to death. Diabetes. A disease in which the body cannot control the level of sugar in the blood. Epilepsy. A condition of the brain that causes a person to become unconscious for short periods or to move in a violent and uncontrolled way. Asthma. A medical condition that makes breathing difficult by causing the air passages to become narrow or blocked. Sprain. To cause an injury to a joint by a sudden movement.